Hi guys, welcome back. This was requested by one of my subscribers and this is inspired by Alia Bhatt's makeup and it is super easy to do and looks gorgeous. And I just love how natural this look is, so let's get started. So taking my Maybelline primer, I'm going to apply it on my T-zone area and on my cheeks and I'm going to blend it with my duo fiber brush. Next I'm taking my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline and applying it all over my face, blending it really well with my Real Techniques sponge. And taking my time to blend my base really well. Next, taking this Colorbar concealer, I'm going to apply it all over my under eye area just to hide my dark circles and also on my upper eyelids. For a second I just forgot what that area is called. So I'm just applying it all over my eyelids for a nice base for the eyeshadows and then blending it with my sponge. Next, taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm going to apply under my eyes in a triangle shape and then blend it with my sponge just for a nice highlight in my under eye area. Taking this Bharat and Dorris loose powder, I'm going to set my under eye area and blend the powder with my sponge really well. I'm not going to bake it and I'm going to apply the powder all over my face with my sponge just to set my base. Next, taking this dark brown shade from Maybelline the Nudes palette, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Just sticking to my original shape and filling them in. Next, taking this dark brown shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes as well as my entire eyelid and blend it with my blending brush just for a wash of color all over my eyelids. Now with the help of my fingers, I'm going to apply this vanilla shade all over my eyelids. And not taking any extra product, I'm just going to run my blending brush all over my eyelids. And I'm going to apply the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line as well. Now taking this black Kajal, I'm going to tight line my eyes and also apply it in my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line really close to my lashes. And then smudging it with my smudging brush, both the upper lash line as well as the lower lash line. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats of mascara because I'm not going to wear falsies since it's a very natural look. Now taking the concealer brush, whatever concealer was left in that brush, I'm just going to clean out the edges of my eyeshadow. Next I'm going to use the bronzer, blush and highlight from the same palette. So bronzing my face first, this one is a really good bronzer and it gives a very soft contoured look to the face. And now applying the blush all over my cheeks and then highlighting all the high points of my face and also applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, taking the Real Techniques sponge and going over all the highlighted areas of my face just for a more softer, highlighted, more natural look. Next, I'm going to mix a couple of lip shades to achieve the lip shade that she is wearing, but the lip shade here on camera appears a little bit off because of the light, so sorry for that. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.